Alright, we are back. If this is the first video you're watching, then you have no idea what I'm talking about, but I've been making a lot of videos this morning, so to me, I feel like I'm back. Anyways, it has come to my attention that a lot of you do not know how to do read receipts in Microsoft Outlook, and that makes me very sad. But I think it will definitely change the game for you, especially working with students and making sure and getting notified that they read the things that you're sending them in regards to fines or student conduct or anything that is kind of serious of that nature, that we want to have some kind of trail or proof that the student received that information. So I'm going to walk you through that, okay? You can do this either in the Outlook on the web version, but I'm going to show you on the desktop version. So if you need help with the web version, let me know. And we'll walk through it, okay? So first things first, we're going to open up our fancy Outlook. It's going to do its thing. Cool, cool. All right, so when you do a new message, okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the to category. I'm going to do this to myself because I need to make sure that I'm reading this. So, and then whatever your subject wants to be, whatever it is, you can type your message. Sweet. Then what you want to do is under options, you're going to have a request a delivery receipt and request a read receipt. These are two different things here. The first one, if you do a request a delivery receipt, the system will notify you and say, yes, your email was successfully delivered to that student's inbox. That does not mean that they've opened it and read it, but it does mean that it is in there. Okay, so I recommend doing that. So one, you know it got there, and then two, the request a read receipt. What happens when you send this is it will pop up a box on their screen when they open the email, and it basically lets them have no choice but to send something back saying, yes, that I've read this or I've seen this, and then you will get an email saying this student or this individual has opened this email and has read it, yada yada yada. So I'm going to try to see if it'll pop up, sending it to myself so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so very simple. Okay, new email under options, and it's these two little check boxes right here. Okay, so hit send. We'll see if it pops up on mine. Oh, technology. Update it, see if it comes through a little bit faster. I don't know. I honestly don't know if it'll work sending it to myself or not, but we're going to find out. There it is. Boom. Oh. See? So you got one. Delivered to these recipients or groups is complete, but no delivery notification was sent by the destination server. So it's just letting you know, hey, yeah, this came in, it successfully has been completed, okay? And then here's the email to myself. Hey, did you read this? Boom. And then it just automatically pops up as soon as it's on the selection. So even if they don't click into it, they're just viewing it. It'll say this: so-and-so, Chris Gates, requested a read receipt be sent when message read receipts is read. Do you want to send a receipt? So they can hit yes. If they hit no, yeah, I think you still get something anyways. But at least that you have the option of knowing or giving an option that the student will send something back. Most times they'll click yes, because that stuff's pretty serious. It's fines, student conduct, that kind of stuff. So if they don't, at least on your end, you did everything you can to try to get them to confirm that they got it. So hopefully that helps. If you guys do have more questions about the read receipts, how to do it, feel free to watch this video again. I'm very entertaining. Or reach out to your AC or myself or anyone else that is really good with this stuff, like Nathan, Dimitri, whoever. Okay? So thanks, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.